Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68. Hope everybody's doing well. Figured we'd try out a package today on a Brinks. Don't do too many Brinks. High security claim. Show it to you there. 8,100 pounds of cut resistance. 70 millimeter. Let's see if we're gonna have some struggles with this. Let's see what we got. Okay, 70 millimeter. Nice looking lock. Let's see if we can get into this. Okay, let's try to find a tensioner first. Maybe I'll try this way. A little bit slippery, but let's give it a shot. Okay, it's a 4-pinner by the looks of it. And we're in. Brinks. Wow. Limited security, guys. Had a package. There's our key. 4-pinner. Safe to say, it was a bust. Stay well. Patience, practice, perseverance.